Today, millions of people earn digital income, but they don't have an efficient global financial solution. Bankus, a decentralized fintech with simplified KYC, simplified. A solution designed for freelancers, consultants, digital nomads, and creators who need to spend globally without friction. With a tax address in Huixquilucan, State of Mexico, and registered with the SAT. Full control of your account in real time. Activate or block your service instantly and pay with authorization in milliseconds. Thanks to its API integration with global processors, every transaction is efficient, secure, and fast. Plus, our partner exchange is VASP licensed under MiCA regulations and complies with European AML standards. Bankus is not a crypto tone. It does not custody or operate virtual assets. Virtual assets. You receive only US dollars from international settlements. We protect your information, comply with the personal data law, and monitor every transaction to prevent fraud. A revolving model optimizes liquidity in 5 steps: purchase, validation, payment, collection, and refunding. Bankus is revolving credit in US dollars, a liquidity tool that helps you build your financial history. Discover a new way to manage your money. Start today with Bankus.